Okay, so I was asked the question, what would this motor, or sorry, what would this folding mechanism be like when the copter is trying to fly and there's actual pressure on the mechanism itself? So I've got here a luggage scale, tracker luggage scale, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it underneath the arm and I'm going to lift up and I'm going to weigh it. And right now it's coming in at about 20 kilograms. Okay, so there you go, 20 kilograms of upward force on that, and the motors themselves only put out, what was it, 3,200 grams per motor, so that's at 100%, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. I think that's good and strong. There you go, there's the answer.